answer, I'll be repeating the question. Las Navas, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right. We would like to request for everybody's cooperation once we begin asking our candidate the question. Please remain quiet, hold on to your seats, and hold your applauses for after they answer. All right, are we ready? We are just settling in with the two finalists backstage. Las Navas, do you have any message before we ask you the final question?
I would like to say thank you so much to all of my supporters. I want you to say that it is the courage that really pushes me going forward day by day, and I am really, really grateful for it.
And congratulations as well. You won as our Miss People's Choice Award. That is a great feat already. It means that your people really voted for you, really vied for you. So congratulations for that. Now, the ladies are ready. Are you ready?
I don't have a choice.
Okay. Las Navas, the final question is: the use of dummy accounts to spread hate on social media brings division instead of unity. Do you think we should impose stricter penalties against people who incite hate through fake accounts online? Why or why not? Again, the use of dummy accounts to spread hate on social media brings division instead of unity. Do you think we should impose stricter penalties against people who incite hate through fake accounts online? Why or why not?
Definitely yes. We should impose stricter penalties to those people who use dummy accounts for gossips, because I know that the real power of the internet is not on how we use it in the wrongdoings. It is how we maximize it to use for right information, because I know that dummy accounts is not useful in any digital platforms. It must empower our digital platforms must empower us not to impose negativities on social media. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for that, Las Navas. And that is for our first finalist from our top three. Thank you and congratulations for that.
Congratulations.